What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency and what's going on with those markets. Check it out. Alright, guys, so everybody thought crypto was dead. Everyone thought crypto was dead last year. Everybody was freaking out, selling out of their positions, and I mean, I remember December. I actually took a look at my crypto portfolio this morning because I actually don't trade crypto actively. Like you've seen me trade stocks. I actually just put some money and like scattered throughout a few cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and I basically put that money there. And I told it. I talked to my money, guys. I told it, wake me up in 10 to 15 years. That's what I told it back in 2017. Now, I bought right before crypto went nuts. Right before it went crazy and parabolic, I bought. So I haven't been too underwater when it was really bad back in last year in 2018. However, we've seen a really nice bounce in crypto recently this year, especially in Bitcoin. You can see here, let me bring this chart over. Bitcoin, we got to look at the bigger picture. You can't just look at the small picture. You got to look at the bigger picture, right? This is the max here on this chart. And you can see way back in January of 2012, Bitcoin's high was $6.10. So fast forward here, and you know that Bitcoin hit a high. I remember seeing 20,000 print. I could be a little bit off, but I think I remember seeing 20,000 print on GDAX. Back then it was GDAX. Where you could trade it. So here you see 19,891 for one Bitcoin. It's quite the move. Ever since then, it pulled back, and it's pulled back real hard, and it's had a low of right around 3,219. I remember seeing it there, and I don't know what possessed me not to buy some there. I mean, even 500 or 1,000 bucks bought there would have been money today. Like, it's like that fear. It's that fear that we let, dictate us so much. I mean, if I lost 500 bucks, it's not going to change my world, right? But an extra 500 bucks there put into my little portfolio would have actually been very nice. Right now, we see Bitcoin has bounced, and we have currently experienced a high of $7,447. That's quite the move from those lows in the 3,000s. Let's take a look at what Bitcoin has done over the last 3 months. Look at this chart. That is quite the uptrend. Would I buy Bitcoin right now? I am not buying crypto right now. Why would I buy it? I mean, if I was going to day trade it, sure, I can look for an opportunity to day trade this. But if I'm going to buy it to add it to my long-term portfolio of crypto, would I buy right now? I am not going to buy right now. That would be silly on my part. I would wait for the next dip before I add to my crypto portfolio. Why? Because this is not something that I'm counting on as like a retirement where like every month, no matter where the market is at, high or low, I'm putting money in my IRA or in my wife's IRA. We're not, that's not the case with crypto for me. Crypto for me is kind of like that scratch off ticket that you buy for fun, and you're going to see what's going to happen, and you're not putting more money than you're willing to lose. Like when I put that money there, I'm basically thinking, okay, this is better than buying $500 worth of fireworks right now, right? Because when you buy fireworks, it just burns up. So if I put a little bit of money in some crypto, I'm basically saying to that money, go and find yourself some prisoners and bring them back to me, or don't come back at all. It's like a all or nothing deal for me when it comes to crypto. I'm not an active trader in cryptocurrency. Like I'm an active day trader in stocks, or how I actively put money every month in my IRAs, right? My long-term retirement funds. I don't do that with crypto, but I will on the next dip definitely buy up a little bit and just leave it there. I'll leave it there and I'll visit it in 10 years, maybe 15 years, and maybe it'll be zero, or maybe it'll be a crap load of money. I don't know. We won't know, right? So, I mean, that's Bitcoin right now over the last 3 months. Let's take a look at the last 6 months. This right here, you can see it pretty clearly. This right here, look at this. I want you to see this. This high right here is 6,448. Coincides pretty close with this 6,000 mark here. It's almost like a cup and handle pattern before this breakout happened. The patterns that we day trade do translate over to cryptocurrency. I just don't actively trade cryptocurrency. Maybe one of these days I will. I don't know. Over the last year, we see that we're in this U-shaped pattern right there. I wish that little box would go away. There we go. You could see that U-shaped pattern right there. And I personally wouldn't want to see, Bitcoin go up to 10,000 right now. I personally would prefer it to trade between 7 to 6,000 for a while, kind of consolidate for a while sideways there, accumulate, and then we have the big pop. You never know what's going to happen. So we'll sit here, sit tight, see what's going to happen. Over the last day, this is the chart, the week. We're seeing kind of like on the weekly here, we're kind of seeing like a double top here on this U shape. If it breaks it, I'd like to see it hold. I mean, if it's going to break out and break over, healthy, break over 7,000, go up to 8, then in that case, ideally, I'd like to see it trade between 8 to 7 versus coming all the way back down. But you never know really what's going to happen here. We'll just sit tight and watch. Let's see what this looks like. Let's go take a look at Litecoin. Let's see if we can see Litecoin on this chart, on this site. Maybe I have to write Litecoin. I guess this website only does... No, that's not it. I guess this website only does BTC. What if I do... Maybe... Here we go. We should be able to see Litecoin now. No, I guess not. Well, yes. This is Litecoin. I'm sorry. It's just Litecoin to Bitcoin. That's all that is. Let's see if we can find some candlesticks here. Here we go. All right. So let's move this to the max. This is Litecoin to Bitcoin. And you can see, we're having that U shape as well. And pretty much everything has been getting a bounce. Now this is just Litecoin compared to Bitcoin. So of course the chart's going to look a little different. I wonder if we can see... I know it's not GDAX anymore, but we can probably... All right, guys, let's bring this over. You can see here the last time I actually messed around with this, I left 26 bucks in here. I don't know why. But that's pretty funny. I might have to add, if crypto stays as volatile as it is, I might have to add some money to this account and maybe do a little bit of trading. Maybe do a little trading on Coinbase Pro here and trade a little bit of this Bitcoin or Litecoin. Let's see what Litecoin's been doing. Oh, here we go. Sorry about that. And I don't remember how to use this. I want to make the chart bigger, but it's not letting me. Well, at least you can still see it. So damn, Litecoin's all the way up here at 89 bucks, huh? That's nice to see. Let's take a look at the daily here. It actually reached 100. It's a nice little flag pattern that's forming. Very nice volume. EMA support down here at the 80 area, which is, you can see some past resistance. So if we have a pullback to 80, it should hold support. So got that going for it. I mean, overall, crypto's making quite the little comeback here. So Bitcoin is just on fire. It's on fire, guys. Like, this is ridiculous, this move. Real nice. Real nice. Well, have you been trading Bitcoin? Have you been trading any of the cryptos? Let me know. Drop it in the comment section below. Do you have a long-term portfolio in crypto like I do? If you do, drop it down there. I have a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of Litecoin, very little Ethereum, And that's about it. That's pretty much the bulk of my my crypto portfolio. Let me know what you got going on that. If you want to talk about it, drop it in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Let's keep an eye on these cryptos.